Well, we're walking back to Tawhai
Falls.
Tawhai Falls. It's spelled with a WH in the middle, but I guess they say that as an F sound here. But yeah, so we're going back to these falls, which we believe to be Gollum's pool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where he is trying to eat some fish out of a sacred pool, and the Gondorians are going to shoot him down with their arrows, unless Frodo convinces him to be nice. So yeah, we'll check back in when we're at the falls. Should be a short walk. We're at the falls now. Well, this is actually the stream part. The falls are off to our right, where those people are. So we'll probably walk on up there here in a bit to see if we can recreate the movie scene ourselves. Lauren's gonna be Smeagol, I think.
No, I think Jared's gonna play the role of Smeagol.
Oh, okay, we'll see. Here we are at the Gollum pools. And there's the waterfall and the actual pool itself. Obviously not as tall as it did in the movies, but it's still very nice. Here we are behind the scenes of Lauren's Instagram. She's trying to take the perfect waterfall picture right now. For those of you who don't know, this could take up to 30 minutes. We'll check back in here in a bit. Here we are at the top of the falls. Lauren's taking some more pictures there. Isn't that pretty? Here we all,